Hey y'all, it's your girl According to D-Law doing a review today. I got my package. All pretty and pink. Pink label, pink fragile. And what is it? Miss Tweet's Treats came in. Yay, I finally ordered it. Been looking at her videos, and those cookies look so good. So I ordered a 4-pack of the Biscoff cookies. Let's see if it can tell me. It didn't take too long to get here. It looks like I ordered it on the 16th and it got here today, 22nd. So it's packed in the bubble wrap, pink bubble wrap, and then it's packaged individually, and it has Biscoff on it. Really sealed up really well. I really like that. Let me see if I can get into it without getting my scissors, but that's a good thing. Cookies are huge. I've started my low carb diet, but I want to take at least a bite of this and then I'll let the family have it. So here's how it looks. Has a Biscoff cookie. Good size. I'll taste a corner. Good. I'm gonna taste some with the cookie. Oh my gosh, this is good. You did good, girl. Let me get this one down. Let me see what we have in here. I don't know if that's white chocolate chips. I think it's white chocolate chips. $10 out of 10. Thank you so much. Again, I ordered 4. Came in this box. Had the bubble wrap. Had fragile. I got a thank you card. With her information on here. And then I also got another thank you card and a business card. So yep, guys, check out Miss Tweet's Treats.com, and I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. Check her out, guys. It's good. I really like it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.